Hi, it's Andrea with Andrea Miller Group. I'm here at my newest listing at 1513 Palm Valley. Let's check it out. This house has 3 living areas, all of which are gigantic. This master is so large you have room for a king-size bed, setting area, and a fireplace. Hey, the house is super cool, but let's face it, we are in the middle of a very hot summer in Texas, and if you don't have a pool, you should come check out this. Call, text, or email Andrea at Andrea Miller Group.